Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change Roblox language or how to change the languages in Roblox. First thing you do is open up your Roblox app on your mobile phone. I'm talking about mobile phone here. Next thing you do is tap on from the home menu, tap on the more icon at the bottom, tap on settings, this is the gear icon here, tap on account information. Remember, I want to change the language. And now scroll down until you see language after gender. Tap on it and you can now see the list of language you have. List of languages to choose the preferred language and tap on it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, hit the notification bell so you can get updates on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.